a lot.
Bees or something out there.
Wow, that is a lot. Hi, how are you going? They're flying. Hello. Look at them, that's a lot. Wow. I am chasing them. I am chasing them. This bird is a lot. Ah. Wow, good job, sweetheart. Look at them. Oh, they're congregating there. Yeah. Oh, they're moving. Nice walking. Hi, beautiful. That is my favorite store over there. Walking and exercising. Schooler. Got those birds over there. Mowing the lawn. Yes, we already finished walking about an hour. Building is not a house, it's a restroom. Women, a nice restroom, guys. It's clean. Yes. That is my favorite store over there. This is my Family Dollars Saturday shopping. This one buy 4 get 1 free, and this one $9. This one's $3. It's including and 35 cents. Saturday shopping. And that's including the Oreo cookies. So $21.76. My saving is $8.35. Good shopping today.